stirs the morning calls. Curiosity moves through it all.
You're walking the Ember Walk, where curiosity meets motion. I'm David Dysart. Together, we'll take a few minutes to step through one idea that shapes the craft of enrollment. Careers end. Crafts don't. That's the truth nobody tells you early on. Titles vanish, systems get rebuilt, budgets collapse, but the craft, the true capital C craft, outlives every institution that tries to own it. The Forge doesn't care about your role. It cares about your hand, the steadiness, the patience, the consistency. The people who last in this work aren't chasing ladders, they're refining edges. Careerism wants applause. Craft wants integrity. Careerism asks, what did I achieve? Craft asks, did I do it right? Today's thought. Measure yourself not by where you are, but really what you've built. And will it still matter when you're gone? That's the real promotion. That permanence of purpose. And that's the Ember Walk. The Forge is yours now. Go make something worth the heat.
Step by step, the spark will talk. This is the